Sorry guys about that. Hey guys, it's me again. Oh my god. Stupid! Oh my god, this camera's so stupid. Okay, I'm just gonna hold it a little. And today I'm gonna show you my new mascot. She finally tried, yay! So yeah, let me show her. She's really pretty. So here's what she looks like. I think she looks really pretty. And no copies, please. I worked really hard. And the reason why I'm saying that is because this is my own mascot and no one can take it. Now you can do something different. Like paint the ears pink and like put these dots right here pink and then like this one white. You can do opposite, but paint the fur, like the base of my mascot. I use that, but you can use you can do something different with yours, like paint this, and everything else different. You could kind of copy like the ears, like with a different kind of paint color, like whatever. But yeah, you know what I mean. And do like the eyes different. I know I'm off the camera a little. Oh my god. So yeah. Bye guys. And well, you know, I always love you as a friend. Yeah. Why am I getting sick again? In the last video I wasn't coughing and now I just coughed. Like, not like I said I wasn't coughing anymore, and now I'm like, now it's starting to cough. Like, what the hell? And now it's already at the number 2. Wow. Good video. Good video. Well, bye. Camera. Sorry about the camera, it just keeps falling down somehow on this. Okay, maybe let me do it over here. Because last time when I recorded right here, it was really better. See, now it's better. Curse you, phone. I know someone else that records with a phone. Please go subscribe to her. Why? Please go subscribe to her. Her name is Helen Carter. I subscribe to. Oh my god, my voice! Oh my, that was a big cough. Well, guys, I'm not too well, and well. I'm gonna end this video right here, and I'm really sorry that I sound really bad right now. So, yeah, bye.